Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe at your homes. Let's start our class. In today's class, we are going to revise topic from unit number 1 physical regions, chapter number 2 regions of the world. Let's start. World regions. Like the different regions of Pakistan, the whole world is divided into various regions like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys and rivers. Like in Pakistan, Pakistan is divided into 5 regions. And the world is also divided into regions. First one is mountain. Mountains covers about 27% of the earth. And this line is important for your MCQs that how many percentage mountain covers? It's 27%. All these lines which we are going to revise in this lesson is very important in terms of your MCQs. Fill in the blanks and match the columns. Like, which is the largest mountain range of Asia? So the answer is Himalayas. In Europe, the largest mountain range is the Alps. Always remember, Asia में largest range Himalayas है and Europe में largest mountain range जो है वो क्या है? Alps. And in South America, the largest mountain range is the Andes. In South America, which is the largest mountain range, it's Andes. The Appalachian range is the peak range in the North America, followed by Rockies. Appalachian range is the highest or largest range in North America. Mount Everest is the highest peak in Himalayas and it is also the world's largest peak. Mount K2 is the second highest peak in Himalayas and also second highest peak in the world. Always remember that Mount Everest is the first highest and Mount K2 is the second highest peak of the world. Aconcagua is the highest peak in Andes. Aconcagua is the highest peak in Andes. Mount Blanc is the highest peak in Alps and Alps are the mountain ranges in Europe. We have learnt in the lesson. Mount Mitchell is highest peak in Appalachians and Appalachians are the mountain ranges in North America. There are many other mountain ranges in Africa and Australia. Australia और Africa में भी बहुत सी mountain ranges हैं. Now let's learn about the plateaus region of the world. Plateaus are flat raised area above the ground. Tibetan Plateau is the largest plateau in the world. We have learned in do you know that Tibetan Plateau is the largest plateau in the world and it is dubbed as the rooftop of the world, and it can be your MCQs like which plateau is dubbed as the rooftop of the world. So the answer is Tibetan Plateau. Now let's revise plains regions of the world. Plains are relatively flat surfaced areas. As plains are flat lands, it is very easy to do construction on them. प्लेन्स यानी कि मैदानी इलाके, और इन मैदानी इलाकों पर बहुत ही आसानी से कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन या कोई भी तामीराती काम या किसी भी किस्म की तामीर की जा सकती है. इंडो गैंगेटिक प्लेन इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्लेन इन द वर्ल्ड. विच प्लेन इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्लेन इन द वर्ल्ड? द आंसर इज़ इंडो गैंगेटिक प्लेन. It covers almost entire Bangladesh, northern India and eastern Pakistan. The plain is densely populated. ये कौन सा इलाका कवर करते हैं? ऑलमोस्ट फुल बांग्लादेश, नॉर्दर्न इंडिया एंड ईस्टर्न पाकिस्तान और मशरकी पाकिस्तान. द प्लेन इज डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरियाज. मैदानी इलाके बहुत ही गुंजान आबाद इलाके होते हैं जहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं. एन एरिया इज डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड व्हेन इट इज क्राउडेड. एरियाज इन प्लेन रीजन्स आर मोस्टली डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड. ये बहुत ही गुंजान आबाद इलाके होते हैं. एन एरिया इज स्कार्सली पॉपुलेटेड व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट crowded. The next topic is valleys. The largest valley in the world is the Great Rift Valley. Always remember, the largest valley in the world is Great Rift Valley. It runs from Syria to Mozambique. In East Africa, it is 6,400 kilometers long. How kilometer long this valley is? 6,400 kilometers long. All the regions are formed by the movement of Earth's plate inside the Earth's surface. The crust is broken into huge pieces. Rifts between the crust plates result into the formation of different landforms. यानी कि ज़मीन पे जितने भी फिजिकल रीजन्स बने हैं वो Earth's प्लेट्स की मूवमेंट की वजह से और इसकी Earth's में जो सरफेस होती है उसकी मूवमेंट की वजह से बनते हैं. Let's revise question answers from this topic. Define plateau. Plateaus are flat raised area above the ground. Next question is define plains. Plains are relatively flat surfaced areas. As plains are flat lands, it is very easy to do construction on them. How are different landforms formed? Inside Earth's surface, the crust is broken into huge pieces. Rifts between the crust plates result into the formation of different land forms. The last question is identify the different mountainous regions of the world. Different mountainous regions of the world include Himalayas, the largest mountain range in Asia, Alps, the largest mountain range in Europe, Andes, the largest mountain range in South America, and Appalachians, the largest mountain range in North America. Let's do worksheet of this unit. Pakistan is divided into 5 physical regions. The mountain region of Pakistan include the Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, all of the above. Kora salt mine is located in Salt Range. The largest plateau of the world is Tibetan Plateau. The largest irrigation system is in Pakistan. The highest of the sand dune Napanarika is 40 meters high. Kharan Desert is in Balochistan. The coastal areas of Pakistan are in Sindh and Balochistan. The temperature in the coastal region is moderate. Iran's coastal line is on Caspian Sea and Arabian Sea. Next worksheet, match the columns. The mountainous regions has very cold winters because of the high altitude. Most of the Bhutanis earn their livelihood from agriculture. The Kora salt mines are located in Salt Range. The twin cities of Rawalpindi and Islamabad are located on the Potohar Plateau. Bhutan is a country in Asia. And now answer the following questions. How many physical regions are there in Pakistan? Name them. We have learned that there are 5 physical regions in Pakistan: plain region, desert region, coastal region, plateau region, and mountainous region. How do the people living in the mountainous region make a living through tourism? They grow potatoes, wheat, barley, and some small vegetables. They raise and sell goats, sheep, cattle, and yolks. So these are the topics and worksheets. Revise them. Meet you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.